सपनों को बस्ते में रख कर चले हम, उम्मीदों के पथ पर घर से चले हम। सपनों को बस्ते में रख कर चले हम, उम्मीदों के पथ पर घर से चले हम।
क्या ही बात है बोले शंकरा, तेरी क्या ही बात है। दूर होके भी तो साथ है, ओ दूर होके भी तो साथ है। तुझको मैं कर दूंगा तुझको समर्पण, मैं तेरा आंसू हूँ तू मेरा दर्पण। तेरे ही होने से मेरी ये सारी जिंदगी सजी है। लगी मेरी तेरे संग लगी हो मेरे शंकरा, लगी मेरी तेरे।
Jai Hind and hearty welcome to one and all present over here. So first of all, wish our teachers. Summer is over and monsoon is here. Back to school for a brand new year. So welcome you all in this new academic session 2024-25 with a huge round of applause for
The slate is clean and anything can happen. I repeat my thought, a new school year means new beginnings, new adventures, new friendships and new challenges. The slate is clean and anything can happen. Have a good day ahead.
updating ourselves every day is good and never-ending habit. So we should always have this type of habit, which shows awareness towards our society, towards nation, and that is possible only when we are eager or fond of it. So now I request Preeti ma'am to please enlighten us with the news headlines.
Jai Hind all my dear students. Today's news headlines are international news. Japan government to call for flexible policy in price uncertainty draft blueprint show. National news. रुपए की पूर्ण परिवर्तनीयता को लेकर और उदार होगा आरबीआई. रिजर्व बैंक ने अगले 10 सालों का तय किया एजेंडा. स्टेट न्यूज. भोंडवे पाटील शाळेत शासकीय नवनियुक्त शिक्षकांचे प्रशिक्षण पार पडले. स्पोर्ट्स न्यूज. इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान T20 वर्ल्ड कप. इंडिया full of sensational 6 runs victory over Pakistan. Thank you.
Thank you, Preeti ma'am. Expanding our vocabulary is essential for learning any language. So I would like to call Neena ma'am for a new word.
Jai Hind to everyone. Today's new word is pungent. Its spelling is P-U-N-G-E-N-T. Pungent. It's an adjective. Its meaning is having a strong, sharp or intense smell or taste. Its sentence is The curry had a pungent aroma that made my eyes water. Thank you. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.
To ask you some questions, I would like to call Kumar sir.
Jai Hind everyone. I am going to ask GK quiz, GK question. Are you ready? So my first question is for fifth grade. Which country has the highest population? Absolutely correct. The correct answer is China. My next question, grade 6. Which gas is known as laughing gas? Sixth grade. I repeat my question. Which gas is known as laughing gas? Option A, nitrogen dioxide. B, methane. C, propane. D, nitrous oxide. D, nitrous oxide. Absolutely correct. The correct answer is nitrous oxide.
Thank you, Kumar sir. My dear student, GK quiz is over. But still, I have one question for you. Listen it carefully, okay? Tell me, which shape has largest area among all the shapes with the same perimeter? I repeat my question. Tell me, which shape has largest area among all the shapes but with the same perimeter? Any guesses? Rectangle. Yeah, I heard circle. Who said circle? Raise your hands. Yeah, your answer is absolutely correct.
Jai Hind everyone.
So today's amazing fact about education in India are: first, IIT Kanpur has its own laboratory flight. Second, India has world's largest school. Third, India has Asia's first and oldest women's college. India has Asia's largest residential university. Indian government is providing free education to all children between the age of 6 to 14 years. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.
So today, children, let me start with the story. Beautiful story. This story teaches us to not to let go of our happiness by comparing ourselves by someone else. Once a crow looked at a swan and thought how beautiful the swan is. She had all white feathers, whereas the crow was black. The crow expressed his thought to the swan. The swan replied that, according to her, the parrot is the most beautiful bird as it has two colors and the swan had just one color. Next, the crow approached the parrot, who simply said that peacock is the most beautiful than him as it is multicolored. The moral of the story is never compare yourself to others. Be happy in what you are and what you have. Thank you.
worked so very hard to welcome you on day one and welcome you back to the school. So the same on behalf of BPPS family, I welcome you all back to the school. I just felt this morning that I have been called as a guest to one of the annual concert, and I'm sitting there and watching a mini annual day. It was that good performance by the teachers. Can they deserve a big round of applause? Yes. Teachers, good job, wonderful job. As in news you have heard, we had recently 2 days of workshop for newly recruited JLP teachers, and then few girls, few coin group or few of them were here for anchoring, for welcoming the guests. I felt the teachers are not less than them. They have done the same job. What an enthusiasm, what an energy, what a beautiful smile. All your teachers, they brought on their face just to welcome you. And I wish all of you a very, very bright and successful academic year. Have a good day. Thank you so much.
May the good God bless you. May the good God bless you and wish you happy birthday to you. And cultures. A country full of beautiful sculptures, vast region and multiple religions. Unity is a structure with high-end infrastructure, and a place is a way to make us aware of our duties towards our nation. So I request Swati ma'am to take place with us. India is my country, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. ऊंची आवाज में राज्य गीत शुरू करेंगे। शुरू कर। जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा, गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा. विधीना आभार तुझी मुही, गडगडणाऱ्या नभा. आसमानाच्या सुलतानीला जबाब देती जिभा. एक साथ ऊंची आवाज में राष्ट्रगीत शुरू करेंगे। शुरू कर। अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंग. विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंग. तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मागे. गारे तब जय गाथा. जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे, जय हे, जय हे. जय 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 हे. भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की जय. वंदे मातरम. वंदे मातरम. वंदे मातरम. जय जवान जय किसान. जय जवान जय किसान. जय जवान जय किसान.
पथ पर घर से चले हम, स्कूल 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 चले हम. स्कूल 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 चले हम. स्कूल 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 चले हम.